you so much for coming back to my channel where I show you how to use Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, for your law firm. Today we're going to talk about personalizing your legal document. Also setting up substitutions was what they're called in Google Docs. If you're used to Word, they're called AutoText Entries. And I'm going to show you how to create one, and also I'm going to show you how it looks when it's in work. So here I have my legal pleading open, and again, you want to go to Tools, and you can go right down here to Preferences. So on your preferences, as you can see, they give you a list that you can toggle on and off how you want your legal document in Google Docs to behave. You can have it where it automatically capitalizes words. You can have it where it automatically corrects spelling and so forth. So if you want to turn some off, turn some on, or keep some on, you can. Up to you. Now, the juicy part here is in substitutions. So in substitutions, here you can have certain words when you type it out to automatically be configured this way. These automatically came with Google Docs, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. So here I have one that is for the Florida Statute 895. As you can see, you don't necessarily want to type out that every single time. I'm going to go ahead and edit this one actually so that things are capitalized. Perfect. So that's done and configured. I'm going to also show you how to add one. So as you can see, you just click on the replace button. You go ahead and name it what you want. So I just put it FLA. This one is going to be 286. Of course, according to your practice and your laws, you can put in certain statutes that apply to your practice. And you press OK. So we're going to make sure in substitutions everything is saved. Perfect. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the word and see how it behaves. And as you can see, it perfectly spelled out everything, even though I just put in the word. So that is how you put in substitutions, as they're called in Google Docs, or formerly known as, or also known as AutoText Entries if you're used to Word. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you.